students, welcome back to my channel Easy Way of Learning with Archisha Gupta. Today I have prepared for you some questions on acids and bases. The answers are highlighted with red color. So let's start. So first question is, oranges are sour because they are dash. Option A basic, option B acidic, option C neutral, option D none of them. So the correct answer will be acidic because oranges are sour and the sourness can be found in acidic substances and oranges contain citric acid also. Therefore, the answer will be acidic. Now next, methyl orange turns dashed with bases. Option A yellow, option B red, option C pink, option D colorless. So let's see its answer. The answer is yellow because methyl orange is a chemical indicator which indicates the yellow color when it comes in contact with some of the bases. Now next question. What is the pH of water? Option A 7, option B 9, option C 7.1, option D none of these. The correct answer is 7 because water is a neutral substance and even 0.1 difference can also make it acidic because 0.1 is acidic is for basic substance, not acidic, sorry. So 0.1 also can be denoted for a basic substance. So water is a neutral substance. Therefore its pH will be 7. Now next, if the pH of any substance is 7.1, then the substance is dash. Option A acid, option B basic, option C neutral salt, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is basic because in the previous question I had said, if the 7.1 difference can also make the substance basic. So the correct answer will be basic. Now, which of the following acid is weak acid? Option A citric acid, option B sulfuric acid, option C hydrochloric acid, option D none of these. The correct answer is citric acid because this acid is found in oranges and we can increase our immunity during this pandemic by eating more and more oranges. Citric acid is very good for our health. Whereas sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid are lab acids and they can even burn you. They are very corrosive. Whereas this acid is weak acid. Therefore, citric acid will be the answer. Now next question. What will be the nature of the given substance? Option A acidic, option B basic, option C neutral, option D none of these. The correct answer is acidic as in this picture you can observe there is a lemon or orange and here this is a blue litmus paper and which is turning to red. As we know that the blue litmus papers turn to red when the substance is acidic only, not basic. So the correct answer is acidic. Now, turmeric is a natural on adding its base to acid and base separately, which color would be observed? So let's see the answer for this question. The correct answer is yellow in acid and red in base because yellow in acid we can observe and red in base because this is only the property of indicators. They denote various colors for a substance. So the answer will be yellow in acid and red in base. Now next question. Paheli is writing some statements. She wants to know in which of the following statements is or are incorrect. So let's see the answer. Indicator phenolphthalein gives yellow color with lime water because lemon juice and vinegar taste so because they contain acid. This is a correct answer because they are so because of the acids. And this turmeric and litmus are natural acid base indicator. And this is also correct because they are natural acid base indicator. And none of the above. This is not correct because we can observe that indicator phenolphthalein gives yellow color with lime water. This is incorrect because it gives phenolphthalein gives pink color with lime water. So the answer will be option number C. Now next, a farmer was unhappy because of his low crop yield. He discussed the problem with an agricultural scientist, realized that the soil of his field was either too acidic or too basic. What remedy would you suggest? So the correct answer is all of the above because the soil is too acidic and the acids can neutralize the bases and bases can also neutralize the acids. So the farmer soil was acidic because he used a lot of fertilizer. So because of this all the above remedies can be tried to make you neutralize the soil. Now next question. Consider the following statement and choose the correct options. Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid HCl helps us to digest food. We take milk of magnesia in digestion. All of the above. So let's see the answer. All of the above. Because our stomach contains hydrochloric acid, and hydrochloric acid also helps us to digest our food. And milk of magnesia helps us in digestion. So all of these is the correct answer. Now next, Pritam is writing some statements about bases. Choose the correct statements and help him. So the correct answer is indicator is a substance which shows different color in acidic and basic solution. So tooth decay, it is caused by acid. Therefore our toothpaste contains of bases. So this is not a correct statement. Now, statement number C, sodium hydroxide turn blue litmus red. This is also not correct because the red litmus paper turns to blue when sodium hydroxide comes in contact with it. Because sodium hydroxide is a base, not an acid. Therefore, and all of the above. All the above can't be the correct answer because these two are wrong statements. This is a correct statement, so all the above can't be the answer. So option B is correct. Now next question. Solution changes the color of turmeric indicator from yellow to red. The solution is option A basic, option B acidic, option C neutral, option D non-basic. So the correct answer will be basic because yellow will be the color of the turmeric paper and it will turn the yellow color to red, and this change can be observed when bases come in contact with turmeric solution. So now next question. Dash can corrode the metals. So the answer is acids because acids can corrode the metals. They are very harmful and they also release hydrogen gas. After corroding the metals, they also form small holes. Therefore, we should not store any acid in the metal containers. We can store either them in plastic jars or else in the ceramic containers. Now next. What is the pH of sulfuric acid? A option 1, B option 7.1, C option 2, D option 5. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is 1 because the pH sulfuric acid is very strong, so the pH can be 1. Now next, if the pH of a substance is 6.9, then the substance is dash. What is the correct answer? Let's see. Acidic because it is below 7 and therefore the substance will be acidic. Which of the following is an acid base indicator? So the answer will be turmeric because if we add acids to it, it will remain yellowy, and if we add bases to it, then it will turn red. So this indicates, whereas vinegar, lime water or baking soda does not indicate anything. Vinegar is acidic, lime water is basic and baking soda is basic. So the correct answer will be turmeric. Now, apples contain dash acid. The correct answer is malic acid because we can observe that acids contain malic acid. And citric acid is found in the oranges or lemons. Now next question. What is the nature of the given substance? You can observe here, this is a substance. So option A acidic, B basic, C neutral, D none of these. So correct answer will be basic because here this is a soap which is in which the litmus paper, red litmus is there. It is getting turned into blue. So we can observe that the substance is basic only. Tooth decay is caused by dash and therefore toothpaste contains dash. Option A is correct because tooth decay is caused by too much of acid and therefore toothpaste contain bases to neutralize that acids. Therefore we can clean our teeth using the basic substances. Now pH scale measures from dash to dash. The correct answer is 0 to 14. Now, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and bye.